Next, how to insert the document in the collection. Okay, already I told we don't need to use the like a create collection method to create the collection. Whenever we store the document, okay, so by default collection is going to be created. तो ऑटोमेटिकली कलेक्शन क्रिएट हो जाता है जब भी हम लोग डॉक्यूमेंट स्टोर करते हैं. ओके, तो सेपरेटली नो नीड टू क्रिएट द लाइक ए कलेक्शन. जैसे तुम माई सीक्वल में क्या करते हो, टेबल को पहले क्रिएट करते हो फिर डेटा स्टोर करते हो. इज इट और नॉट? इन माई सीक्वल यू डू लाइक दिस, first create table and then store data. Yes or no? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but in MongoDB it is not necessary first create collection and then store the document. So whenever we are storing document, so by default it is going to create the like a collection in MongoDB. So I'm just going to remove this collection also because I need to create a student collection. So I just have to write it here, db dot collection name dot drop. So now it is also dropped. So now if you go to the like a MongoDB compass and refresh it, now look at, we are not getting the full stack DB database. It is not visible. So at least one collection should be, if it is present in the database, so it is going to display it. If it is nothing is there in the like a data collection in the database, the database name is not going to visible it. Next, inserting document. In MongoDB, we have the method that is called the like a insert method to add or insert new document into the like a collection. So simply we have to write db dot collection name dot insert method. We need to use it. So how to write it? db dot collection name. I'm going to create that is called the like a student dot insert method. And in the insert method, whenever I'm using to open the parenthesis, close parenthesis, and data should be with the curly bracket format. So here I'm just going to write the name. Name I'm going to give it Vaishali. Then comma age 21. Then city. Okay. Then state colon image. If it is a character value, so you have to put in the single quotation. If it is not a character value, without single quotation, you have to write it.
Single quote पूरा complete नहीं किया है sir.
हाँ, just have to complete the single quotation. Now document inserted. अगर document insert हुआ तो collection भी automatic create होता है. Okay, in MongoDB. So separately, that's why we don't need to create the like a collection. So just you have to remember the command db dot collection name dot insert method. Parenthesis open, close. In between we have to use the like everything in the curly bracket. Okay, so because it is going to use the data in the JSON format. The name is this, age is this, city, then state we are using. Now if you want to view the like a data, okay, or document, so what we have to write? db dot collection name dot find method. I told last sessions find method. Now look at, I told last session also, whenever I'm not creating ID column, so by default MongoDB create the underscore ID field with the like a 24-digit value. Okay, MongoDB automatically create the underscore ID field. Even if we can also create manually also. अगर मैं manually create कर रहा हूँ तो MongoDB server it is not going to create it automatically. But if I'm not creating manually, the MongoDB automatically create the underscore ID field. Okay, so that you have to just remember it here. So we can insert many document. Okay, so now I'm just going to change the like a value here. Formal. And then I'm going to insert one more. Alone. Now we are going to use the like a db dot collection name dot find. Look at, so we are getting all the document details. But look at, ID is auto generated number, which is creating it whenever we are not specifying the ID. Okay, so underscore ID field is by default adding it into the like a document. हर एक document के साथ यूनिक वैल्यू होता है आईडी फील्ड का, even if we can store also like a manually also. So there, if we want to see the list of the collections, so we can write the show collections. Now there are two new method which is introduced MongoDB 3.2 version onwards. Okay, version 3.2 onwards, there are more method introduced in the MongoDB. One is called insert one method. Only one document we can enter into the like a collection. Only one document. अगर एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट एंटर करना है कलेक्शन के अंदर, तो वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज द लाइक इंसर्ट वन मेथड. वी कैन यूज हियर, वी नीड टू राइट insert one method, db dot collection name dot insert one. Now I'm just going to change the value here to English. Okay, then I'm going to use the like as city. Okay, and then this I'm writing it. Now this is done. So now I can just go and check it here. Okay, look at here. Okay, that is the points you have to just remember it. Okay, is it clear? So we have also the like a method that is called insert one method is present. Understood everyone? Okay. So if we want to insert the like a single document, okay, so we can use the like a insert one method, we can use it. The same as there is a method is called insert many method to store more than one document. So then how to perform it? अगर एक से ज्यादा डॉक्यूमेंट एक साथ स्टोर करना है तुम्हें, okay, then we can use the there is a method is called insert many method is there. So how to perform it then? So we have to write db dot collection name dot insert many. Okay, db dot collection name dot insert many with the square bracket. Square bracket किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? We know in the programming array concept के लिए. Is it or not? Yes or no? Square bracket is used for the array or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So we can use the like a square bracket. Within the square bracket, we have to use the like a curly bracket, and with the curly bracket, one document like this we can store many document in the like a insert many method. So how to perform it? So we have to just write db dot collection name. Here I'm just going to start square bracket. Okay, and then I'm just going to start curly bracket, and then I need to write it name colon value. I'm going to give it that is like a Ganesh. Whenever we are going to pass like a value, so we have to write the key and value pair of the data. We need to write it comma age like a 25, then city colon the other, then state colon mh. Okay, then we need to close the curly bracket, give it comma, again start another curly bracket. We need to write it. Okay, so here I'm just going to start again. Sorry, I have to write it name colon nourish, then h colon 27, then city colon that is like andheri, then state colon mh. We need to use it, and then square bracket close. Sorry, curly bracket close, square bracket close, parenthesis close it. But append. Sorry, I used the like a method that is called insert one. I need to use insert many method. That is the mistake here. I have to write insert many. Insert many. So inserted the document. So now we can see here db dot collection name dot find method. Look it. We inserted Ganesh and Naresh. Yes. Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the method to store more than one document?
Insert many.
And what is the method to store only single document?
Insert one.
Insert one. Insert one, as well as we can also use the like a insert method. Insert method we can use it, or insert one method we can use, or insert many method we can use it. Next, if you want to delete the document, means if you want to remove the document, then what we can do, there is a method is called remove method, we can use it. Using the remove method through, we can remove the like a particular document. So we just have to write db dot collection name dot remove method, we need to write it. So simply I just have to write db dot collection name dot remove, and the remove method we can pass the like a condition here, like a name colon. I'm just going to write it Naresh, curly bracket close, parenthesis close, semicolon. So now one document, remove it. So we can check it. Now look it. We are not getting the Naresh document here because it is removed, so like a Naresh document. So using the like a remove method through, we can remove the like a document. We can also use, there are so like other methods have introduced from the like a 3.2 onwards version. We can use the like a delete many. Okay, delete many method we can use it. So like a db dot collection name dot delete. Okay, let's suppose what I'm going to do, I'm just going to insert two more documents. Again I'm inserting. Okay, now if I go to check it here, how many times Ganesh is present?
3 times.
And Naresh is present 2 times. Okay,
Yes.
now I'm going to remove it. Here I'm just going to write Ganesh. Okay, how many removed?
Only one.
Okay,
Only one.
only one.
Yes.
Are you getting Ganesh name?
No.
No. So we can use the like a remove method to remove if all matching documents are present. So that is going to remove it. Also we can write the method that is called, the method name is called what? We need to use delete many method, we can write it. Delete many. And here I'm just going to write like a Naresh. Naresh is 2 times present. How many documents deleted? 2 documents are deleted. Look at, we are not getting. Yes, all the matching documents with the criteria or condition, it is just going to remove it by using the like a delete menu. Now suppose again I am going to insert the document here. Okay, so here if I just go and check it, Ganesh how many times? 2 times. Naresh how many times? 2 times. Okay, now I'm just going to use the like a delete one. So then what will happen? See, delete one. Okay, that means one document deleted, and we can check it here. Look at, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means the first document which is getting on the like a condition, that is going to remove it. तो यहाँ पर देखोगे ये वाला जो condition नरेश मिला उसको, that is going to delete, but this one is not going to delete. The last document, the सबसे first जो document उसको मिलेगा, that is going to delete it by using the like a delete one. Even if multiple values are present, okay, the first document which is getting on the like a searching time, so that is going to remove it by using the like a delete one method. We can delete, and we saw it how to use the remove method also. And the remove method is for all the version, and remove method it is used for the like a whatever version of MongoDB is present, everywhere we can use it. So we can use remove, we can use delete many, we can use delete one. Okay, method we can use it. So we just have to write, if you want to remove all the document, then you have to write db.collectionName.remove curly bracket open and close, and nothing you have to write it, so that all the documents should be like a remove it. So db.collectionName.remove, okay, curly bracket open and curly bracket close, all the document is going to remove it. So here, because we have not given any condition, so everything is going to remove it. So got it? What are the methods we can use to remove the document? We can use remove, okay, we can use remove one, delete one, we can use delete many, and in the remove method, if you just open the curly bracket and close empty, so everything is going to remove it. Yes, got it everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.